This might be the most dangerous drink we make yet.
Or irresponsible.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
And this is our last video for our 30-day, 30 video challenge.
So, we're going to go out with a bang.
Or a hangover.
Major hangover.
Because today, we're building Long Island iced teas inside something that sounds like smoke-a-bola.
What's a smoke-a-bola?
I can't say the word. Because they're not a sponsor of ours.
Let's get cracking.
Something. So for today's drink, you're going to need several different ingredients. You're going to need a bottle of vodka, a bottle of tequila, a bottle of gin, a bottle of rum, and if you have it, some fresh lemon juice or a sweet and sour mix. We're going to be using sweet and sour today. And then you're also going to be using something that rhymes with smoke-a-bola or sounds like smoke-a-bola.
Or your favorite cola.
You're gonna you're gonna use your favorite cola. And what you're going to do is you're actually gonna build the drink directly into the bottle. So let's get this mistake on the road. So what you're going to need to start off with, you're gonna need your favorite colas. You're gonna crack those bottles open. Now we have the ones that are glass. We're gonna build it directly into this because I prefer the taste of this inside a glass bottle versus a plastic one. It just doesn't taste as fresh to me. And we're gonna get rid of a small portion of the top layer so we could fit all the alcohol in there. So
Nice pour there, Joe.
thanks, buddy. You can tell I'm a righty, not a lefty. Kareem, swig your colas.
Cheers.
Cheers. Syrupy. Now, to build the Long Islands inside the bottle. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab our vodka. And it has a 1/2 ounce cap on it. So we're going to pour directly into it and hopefully it stops. I was a little scared because it seemed like it was a little bit more than 1/2 ounce that came out. But take your tequila, pour 1/2 ounce of that. Take your gin, pour 1/2 ounce of that.
That seems like more than 1/2 ounce.
That didn't stop. Mistakes were made. So we had a little bit of a Brew Broz moment. So we're just going to continue right where we left off. We just finished pouring our gin. Now we're going to pour our thing. Our rum. We're going to pour our rum. 1/2 ounce of this as well. So hopefully this one stops.
Jeez Louise.
And last but not least, we're going to finish the pours with our sweet and sour mix. And it's just going to top it off. And here we have our mistakes in the bottle. Let's see if this is good. So this is either going to be really good
Or terrible.
I'm going to try my best to mix this up a little bit. Wait. I forgot. I got the mixer. Let's see if it does anything at all.
See?
Kareem's turn. Oh, shit. Cheers.
See, that's what you get.
Fail.
That's what you get.
Oh, actually, that's not bad. And we're back from some technical difficulties.
So let's get an official, click clack.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. So, I really thought this was going to be just horrible tasting. Because who actually likes the Long Island iced tea? You know? I really? Man, I remember blacking out sometimes from having the Long Island.
Yes.
And it's definitely a lot sweeter because regular Long Islands have a splash of Coke.
Yeah.
But we built this in a bottle, right?
So it's mostly soda.
Yes. It's a sweeter component to it. It doesn't have a strong alcohol kick. And what were you saying about the gin?
The gin is really shining forth.
So I might have overpoured the gin a little bit.
A lot.
But man, that brand of gin across is like 4 or 5 on the Brew Broz scale.
Yeah. It's phenomenal.
It is. I don't know if I'm ever going to touch any other gin ever if I decide to have gins or any kind of gin cocktail. So, Kareem, Brew Broz scale 1 to 5. What are you giving the bottled Long Island iced tea built inside a Schmokabola bottle?
Coca-Cola. Like, does it taste like a classic Long Island iced tea? No. But it's pretty good.
Okay.
I would say this is you could drink this while you're watching the movie with some popcorn.
If Long Island's are your thing.
If you're Joey, not popcorn.
No, makes me fart. I'm not the only person. I know there's other people out there who eat popcorn and you got the Rudy Tooties from your booties.
So I'm going to give this 3.7.
3.7, a decent score.
Yeah.
Let us know down in the comments below if you would make this drink for yourself or if you're a fan of Long Island's.
Hit the notification bell. You get notified first on when we're going to post our next video.
And since this is the end of our 30-day journey, make sure you take a look at the playlist above. It's going to have all the videos lined up for our 30-day challenge.
Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Not just this channel, but to also anime reviews.
Because we're going to be bringing that back. So the channel link is going to be down in the description below.
So we're going to try to finish the year out strong with some banger anime episodes.
Like I said, take a look down in the description below for that link. And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
Oh, real quick. Big shout out to all our recent subscribers. We hit that 50 subscriber mark. So thank you to all you guys. Let's get to our next milestone, 75 or 100.
Our next milestone is 100.
Help us get to that 100 subscriber mark.
We're halfway there. Maybe you could be the next new subscriber.
For a second, I went in my head because I heard Bon Jovi when you said we're halfway there.
We're halfway there. Don't get us flagged for that.
Oh, true. And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly again.
Quiet on the set.
Yeah, product placement. You don't want to do one at a time?
Maybe, but I'm already in it. I'm balls deep. Yay! Time to do some editing magic.
Magically, we have space.
Yeah.
We're going to drink this like men.
Ding it off.
See?
Kareem's turn. Oh, shit. Cheers.
Mm. Yeah, that's what you get.
Fail.
That's what you get.
Oh, actually, that's not bad.
Roka Jen is really is holding his own.
Hold on, we have some technical difficulties.